I picked this apparently. Am I turning like into an ogre? Well, hello my friends, how are you? It has been a month at least since I have filmed and I'm happy to be back at it. I look like I got run over by a truck. I admit that. Can I talk about it now? No. Will I talk about it? Yeah, but let's get to this. So this is the March boxycharm and I have no idea what day it is. It's almost the end of March, so I want to try to get this one up. And editing me here again. What would my videos be without a voiceover? I think you'd miss them. Well, I actually did mean to say March this time. I just never edited this. It's been sitting in like my backlog. So here it is. Thanks for still watching, even though it's not relevant and not new. Love you. Bye. Get a little bit caught up for March 2025, and it says main character energy. There's a March bucket list. My bucket list is to be standing upright and fairly healthy. That's my to-do list for, March, April, possibly May. Anyway, let's see what we got. The first thing here is Morphe. Now, is this the Light Form Extended Hydration Foundation? This is not their original foundation. Let me show you what it looks like, first of all, in the box. Hold on. I don't know whether I'm too close. I forgot how to do this. Wait, okay, let's do it this way. How are you supposed to see sideways? But if I don't hold it sideways, you really can't see anything. Okay, anyway, as I was saying, is this the original foundation? Mine is in medium. Hold on. 08N, which says it's light, medium with neutral undertones, which should theoretically be my shade, depending upon how many shades there are. For example, if there is a lot of shades, a light medium will work. If there's not a huge shade range, then I have to go with a light neutral. It is a glass bottle, frosted, which I like. I think that's cool. Tuxedo, what are you doing? I have forgotten how to film, how to talk, how to be human. It's on the liquidy side, so when it came out, it kind of like splurted. Splurted. Yeah, that's what happened. So I think the color's going to be okay. As far as I can tell, it looks neutral enough. Do I have a neck? I mean, I can't even get the words out. Yes, I have a neck. Oh, I've missed laughing with you guys. You know, it might even be a little bit yellow or a little too dark. Here, it's kind of hard to tell. Again, the lights are awful. I mean, it's not heavy and thick, which is nice. If you haven't seen the try-on video already, I'm hopefully going to remember to link it either in the eye or in the description box, because I can tell you, at least for me, this was kind of a disaster. So many of my foundations are not looking good on my skin, even as far as color. I'm having to color correct so many of them where I didn't before. Am I turning like into an ogre? I do like getting a palette, and it's Laura Geller. Very pretty packaging. This is called Laura's Essentials, the Candy Cravings 12 Multi-Finish Eyeshadows. One highlighter and one blush. Here's the back so you can see the color story. It's just very springy. I don't know how I feel about the length though. That shouldn't make a difference, honestly. Very pretty. Hi, Miss Kitten. I think I'm going to like the highlighter because do you see how it has a little bit of sparkle? I've been enjoying that lately more so than a frosted highlighter. It has a nice combination of some neutral bases and it goes to a deeper, at least for me, chocolate brown. They went on very nicely. They almost don't look like a true total matte. Oh, this one has a thicker texture. There are some of the shimmers. Look at how squishy the texture of that is because all I did was kind of go to catch the palette and I grabbed it here. This is more of a shimmery highlighter. And the blush is a little bit dry, but that's okay. Wow, am I an idiot? Okay, this is the blush and this is that highlight. I have absolutely nothing left on my face from this morning, so you know what we're going to do. Okay, I have this little baby brush here and I want to try on the blush. This mirror, again, it's a little bit dark for me to see. I have like 3 burned out bulbs. Do not laugh at me, but they're recessed lighting, and I tried getting my hand in there to get them out, and I couldn't. I think this is a bit of a stiff brush for this particular blush, but I really do think I like the color. By the way, this is a Wet n Wild brush that I've had since the beginning of my channel, so we're talking, I think we're going on 8 years pretty soon. I think I started my channel in 2017 as far as doing this. I used to just upload silly stuff, which I've kept on just, you know, for nostalgic purposes, because a couple of them have my sister's voice in them and her hands, and I need to keep that up there. Okay, as far as I can see, again, I think I like the color. Crappy, completely crappy application, but I really wanted to see like just the color and stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna use my finger. See how, can you see how? It's hard to explain. There's a highlighter that I've used that is more of a glitter, but it's not glitter particles that fall off, but it has that. I'm going to have to show you one of these days. One of these days, listen to me. It has a bit of a gold undertone to it. The entire point of that whole explanation was, I think I like the palette. Okay, this is from Mud Masky, and this is the Hate. No, I don't hate this. There's no hate going on here, but I do need my glasses, and I hate that I can't see. It says Heat Protecting Hair Serum. I didn't know they made hair stuff for damaged hair. This, we'll discuss this shortly. Great, now I look like alfalfa for the rest of the video. I think it has a fruity scent to it, which is always pleasant. What? I thought it said apple shine. It says adds shine. This is the Huda Beauty Easy Bake and Snatch. It's in peach pie, brightening and setting powder. Oh, that's pretty. Reminds me of her eyeshadow palettes. Adorable. Do you see the imprint there? It says Easy Bake. It has a nice mirror. This is the sponge that's underneath here. This was surprising because look at the space. You can see it has the holes for venting. And this is what we got. It's one of those spongy sponges. I want to see what it looks like underneath my eyes because the dark circles are killing me. Let's just paint our entire face with it. It has a magnetic closure. I'm looking in this mirror, and I don't know. I want to see how this works on top of concealer and if my under eyes look too dry and crepey. This was my last beauty boost also, by the way. I've cut that as well. So I don't know which of these products, that have 6, is going to be the beauty boost. But this is the Ulla Henriksen, the Banana Bright Instant Glow Moisturizer. I'm pretty sure that I've tried this. This feels like a plastic container. You are actually getting 1.7 fluid ounces. And the last thing in here is from Fenty. I love that we get so much Fenty in our boxes. And it's their Fenty Cheeks Suede Powder Blush. I do not have this. And it is in Petal Poppin' 02. Cute little packaging. This reminds me of the eyeshadow snap palettes. That's pretty. I don't know how to describe the color, but I think it's one that I'm going to like. It's very sheer, and you see a little bit of the shimmer. I want to try this on too. I kind of like a little bit of a shimmery blush because I think it gives my face some life. What do I think about my box already? I love it. I didn't think I was going to. I don't know why, but that always happens to me. So the first thing that I guess they picked for me was the Laura Geller Essentials Candy Cravings palette. That's such a cute name. This is only $25. I'm actually impressed with that. For me, that's like, I think, an affordable palette. Is the Lightform Extended Hydration Foundation in medium 8N. But they're calling it weightless and long-wearing, medium buildable coverage. It is supposed to keep your skin hydrated for up to 16 hours. Biomimetic Hydroleaf Complex. Hydroleaf? Hydro Relief. I can't wait to see how it works on me now. Oh, but I didn't even tell you the price. So this is actually $20. $20 is really not, although look at the drugstore. I don't know. I don't know how to feel about $20 anymore for makeup. The Huda Beauty. You know, as I was editing, I kept saying, what does my hair look like? Who do I look like? And it finally came to me. What a resemblance, right? Bake and Snatch. I hate the name. I must be getting old because I hate the name. Pressed powder. This is $38. Ow. It is supposedly infused with hyaluronic acid and avocado for a creamy, non-drying feel.
How about no, you crazy Dutch?
Sometimes it overemphasizes my wrinkles. Now the Fenty Beauty Fenty Cheek Suede Powder Blush in Petal Poppin'. I picked this apparently. This is $28. The other color that was a choice was Tahiti Tease. I also apparently picked the Mud Mask. It's liquidy. Come on, guys. Come. This is $55. They say it's made in France, and it's 2 fluid ounces. $55 for 2 fluid ounces. I know K19. Is that the right? No, is it K19? Is it K18? Whatever that stuff is, that's $75 for a small thing. So how do I say this without sounding hypocritical? There is a difference between the two. The Mud Masky is a rinse-off mask. The K18 is a molecular repair mask. The two things work very differently, and I do know that the K18 has changed my hair if I could only afford to keep using it. It gives you heat protection of up to 450 degrees. The serum is supposedly going to hydrate, prevent dryness and breakage, frizz-free, smooth, all the things that all of these other things say it will. This is not listed. I'm pretty sure this was the booty boost. I knew it. I knew it was going to happen. For some reason I said they didn't put it on there. So this is what happens every time. When I get it in front of me, I like my box. I would love to know your thoughts because I really do appreciate them. I love you guys. You are amazingly wonderful people that I'm so incredibly grateful for. I love you guys and I will see you soon. I said that already. Oh, it was worth repeating. Bye.